What's up guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm gonna take you to another amazing place in Kerala. Yes, I am taking you guys to an amazing boat experience which I experienced in Mangrove. So let's get into it. This place I really found it in the internet searching for some nice things to do in Kerala, and this is situation in Nedungolam, Kerala. It will take around 30 to 40 minutes from our tuk-tuk from Varkala, which is very close. Then once you go there, the people will greet you. Make sure to book earlier so they know which group to put you into. Then once you are there, the people will get you to write a form and fill them up. Then everything is done. They will tell you if you are taking a kayak tour, they will teach you how to do the kayaking. If you're not taking the kayaking and if you're getting the longboard, they will wait until all the other people come, put you in a longboard, and then you just sit and relax, enjoy. So I'm gonna let you enjoy the views that I had in my journey. With the amazing views, you will probably get to see the sunset if you go in the evening tour, which I managed to see. It was fantastic, and there are small islands you could just sit, relax and have a look. After my trip, I went to my favorite cafe called Kerala Cafe Hotel in Varkala Cliffside, and I ended my day there, and I would highly recommend the hotel there. Please do visit. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.